Redmagic kicks off with another powerhouse of a gaming phone, the Redmagic 8 Pro. It has some notable upgrades, especially the chipset, which makes the phone a capable gaming machine. Not just that, the 8 Pro delivers plenty of power, a long battery life, and some handy tools for gamers. But there are so many gaming phones out there that could ensure outstanding performance, and the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro is one of the best among them. Both Redmagic 8 Pro and Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro are packed with high-end specs and features that make them ideal for mobile gaming. But they have some key differences that set them apart. So, let's find them out in today's video. The design of the two phones is quite different, with the Redmagic 8 Pro having a more gamer-centric look, and the ROG Phone 6 Pro has a more premium look. The Redmagic 8 Pro has a more industrial look with its sharp edges, flat sides, and a glass black on matte black rear design. It also features a built-in cooling fan, which is unique among smartphones. The ROG Phone 6 Pro, on the other hand, has a most sleek and modern design, with a curved back and a more understated aesthetic. You can even tell that this phone is made for gaming by just looking at its design. The Redmagic 8 Pro is slightly larger and heavier than the ROG Phone 6 Pro. The Redmagic 8 Pro has a 6.8 inches display, while the ROG Phone 6 Pro has a 6.78 inches display. Both phones also have color AMOLED screens, with the Redmagic 8 Pro having a 120Hz refresh rate with 960Hz touch sampling, and the ROG Phone 6 Pro has a 165Hz refresh rate with 720Hz touch sampling. So, you can experience ultra-smooth gaming on both gaming smartphones. Both phones have almost similar high-end specs, including fast processors and high refresh rate displays. The Redmagic 8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, while the ROG Phone 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So, by equipping the latest chipset, the 8 Pro can blow away nearly all rivals in the performance takes. Furthermore, the ROG Phone 6 Pro has more RAM than the Redmagic 8 Pro, with up to 18 GB of RAM, compared to the Redmagic 8 Pro 16 GB of RAM. Both phones are geared towards gaming and have features to enhance the gaming experience. The Redmagic 8 Pro has an active cooling fan, which helps to keep the device cool during long gaming sessions. The ROG Phone 6 Pro also has an active cooling system, but it's a vapor chamber rather than a fan. The ROG Phone 6 Pro also has a side-mounted USB-C port, which allows you to charge the device while playing games in landscape mode. Moreover, both phones also have built-in ultrasonic triggers that can be mapped to specific actions and games. The Redmagic 8 Pro has a physical trigger button that can be customized, while the ROG Phone 6 Pro has two pressure-sensitive areas on the sides of the device that can be configured as triggers. Both gaming phones feature a triple rear camera setup, with the Redmagic 8 Pro having a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. It's also equipped with a 16-megapixel second generation on the display camera that perfectly blends with the screen. The ROG Phone 6 Pro, on the other hand, sports a 50-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. So, apart from the gaming performance, the ROG Phone 6 will give slightly improved detail in your photos and videos. Nonetheless, you can shoot amazing 8K videos with both gaming smartphones. On the ROG Phone 6 Pro and the Redmagic 8 Pro have a 6000 mAh battery, with 65 watts fast charging capability. The difference is, the ROG Phone 6 Pro supports 10-watt reverse charging that Redmagic 8 Pro lacks. Now, about the price, the ROG Phone 6 Pro comes with a price tag of $1300. For a gaming smartphone, we think it's a bit expensive, whereas you can get the Redmagic 8 Pro for only $650 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So, compared to the performance and price, the Redmagic 8 Pro would be a great choice if you're looking for a gaming phone. In conclusion, both the Redmagic 8 Pro and the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro are excellent gaming smartphones that offer high-end specs and features. But the Redmagic 8 Pro can deliver outstanding performance with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and it even comes with a much lower price compared to the Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Otherwise, both of them are a perfect pick if you love to do mobile gaming. So, that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.